Hello everybody, Steggy14 here, and welcome to one of these jacksepticeye soundboards I found on the internet. Randomly searching through the internet for games, and I found this.
So if you liked it, punch that like button in the face like a boss! Oh, Jesus, fuck, help! Don't forget, speed is key! Top of the morning, chill laddies. My name is Jacksepticeye. Hey, Billy. Hey, die, you little bitch! Nipple twisty fresh! Happy Wheels! And you're Steve, my buddy! And high fives all around. Whoopsh, whoopsh. And I will see all your dudes! Pick him up! And I was in your happy wheels! Don't... Oh, Jesus!
Oh no, I think I may have broke it.
See all you dudes! Let's not like one bitch like a boss!
Oh, that's strange. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that mini bit of a thing, but yeah. I broke.
Oh, Jesus, fuck, help!
And I thought, let's say this goodbye.